Relax in privacy and refined living in this beautiful, spacious, light and airy corner unit located in the exclusive and sought-after Brook Club. This unit has perfect flow and a wonderful floor plan west/excellent views. This 2-bed, 2.5 bath masterpiece boasts gleaming, modern colored hardwood floors throughout. Imagine cooking dinner for your guests in this updated chef's kitchen and enjoying a glass of wine or cocktails in the classy, spacious family room, which includes a conveniently located powder room. The wonderful well-lit living room is located right next to the balcony, which surrenders to the wonderful views of the Brook Club. Both bedrooms are located next to the in-unit laundry room for your convenient. Spacious master bedroom with large walk-in closet and beautiful master bath. Tops off the tour of this magnificent masterpiece of a unit! 2 parking spaces which are located near the elevator and large storage space are included. The Brook Club is an exclusive gated community that sits on acres and acres of land, which has ponds, walking/biking trails, a clubhouse/party hall, exercise room, recreation room and much more! Located near Brook Mall, many fine restaurants, theater and highways. Make your appointment to see this unit now and bring your offers right away so you can make it your home by summer.